JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Dacula, Georgia this morning. It's about 9:15. We've got a 5-area job here. There are basically 3 bedrooms downstairs and what I would consider a bonus room upstairs, although it might be a bedroom because it does have a bathroom. I didn't know it was a closet, but there's one spot right there. Our carpet overall is in good shape. So we got these 2 small bedrooms here. It's like this was an office. You can see a little spot right there. And then up the stairs, got a tiny little L-shaped hallway here. Then a ginormous bonus room. I guess it would be a bedroom since it has a closet and a window, which I guess is the qualifications. Looks like it's about 20 by 15 or so. So like I said, it's about 9:15. We're going to get started. So I'm going to show you our cleaner here. You can see the spot. And you see as soon as we pre-treat, spot is gone. No soapy residue to attract dirt, like you'll find with most all spot cleaners. Don't know if your spot cleaner is soapy or foamy, shake it up. If you see it, feel it, or hear it suds or foam up, it's soapy, and if you don't rinse it out, it is going to leave a soapy, sticky residue, very similar to shampooing your hair and not rinsing it out, so your carpet turns black or brown discolors from the residue. So something to think about. Don't put soap in your carpet, and you don't have to worry about rinsing it out. Okay guys, as you can see, it's about 9:50. Got these 5 bedrooms knocked out. We only used about a gallon of cleaner, maybe a gallon and a half. That spot was gone during the pre-treatment. These spots in here were gone with the pre-treatment as well. As we've reiterated numerous times, there's no per spot fees, no upsells, hidden fees, or things of that nature. You know, carpet overall was in good shape. We would certainly like it if all of our jobs were in this kind of condition. But unfortunately, probably, I don't know, I would say somewhere between 10 to maybe 25%. Well, I would say probably 80 to 90% of our jobs are relatively easy, quick, easy, in and out. There was a couple spots right here, came right out when we pre-treated. JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. If you are tired of being charged extra for spots or heavily soiled areas, upsells, things of that nature, give us a call, 404-500-9853. We give what are called epic exact pricing quotes. If you are charged more than your exact pricing quote, your carpet cleaning is free. So it's a win-win for you. A lot of carpet cleaners out there charge extra for spots, heavily soiled areas, trip charges, fuel charges, things of that nature. Zero res in particular. We totally agree with not leaving a soapy residue behind. That causes most of the problems that we run into. But Last I checked, Zerorez charges an extra $40 to $90 extra, an extra $40 to $90 per area for spots or heavily soiled areas. And we've asked from day one, you know, if spots are not included in a carpet cleaning, then what exactly is included, or what exactly are you getting for what you're spending? Just something to ask. If you're interested in the business, reach out to us. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business. We do sell our non-soapy citrus cleaning solution. It's an exclusive product we make. You get 4 gallons, which makes 40 gallons of ready-to-use cleaner for if you are in the business for $125. That's shipped to your door if you are in the United States. So we can teach you to do what we do. Like I said, I think we used about a gallon and a half in these 5 areas. So, you know, profit margin is amazing. It's, you know, great work. So if you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us a text. We are here. And as always, thank you for watching and be kind. Take care.